Has just brought you race number 1, instant replay natin. At sa atin ang
Santa Ana Park.
sa Santa Ana Park, Salson Club in Nay, Cavite.
Races on. Tennis player from the outside, Passion Testel, and Music King down on the inside, rising up Devil's Eye. Careless Moment, so dashing, gainable, while Heavenly Glow is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, Passion to Excel, racing well, ride around to the player, number player in the moment, by the round, so dashing, racing in second, while Gainable is now running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Passion to Excel by 2, followed by Tennis Player, and racing in third is Devil's Eyes alongside Careless Moment, and here comes Music King is racing in fifth, so dashing, running in 6 by the rail, Heavenly Glow and Gainable. Passing the half-mile post, Passion to Excel, Devil's Eye, Careless Moment, Music King getting closer, together with So Dashing, Tennis Player by the rail, Heavenly Glow and Gainable is still running at the back of the pack. Inside the last 600, Music King takes the lead from Passion to Excel, and rushing up now, Careless Moment, Devil's Eye, So Dashing, Tennis Player, third last, Gainable and Heavenly Glow, once again running at the tail of the field as they raise the last 400, and going to the final corner, Music King increasing its marker to about 4 lengths. Devil's Eyes down on the inside, So Dashing, Careless Moment, Gainable rushing up on the farther outside, and nearing the last 150, Music King now pulling away from the back, and finally from the stable of Mr. Napchua, Music King second, Gainable third, So Dashing, Careless Moment close for fifth between Passion to Excel.